Hello friends, I'm Yutika and welcome back to my channel Yuti Arts. We are meeting after quite a long time now. And guess what? Today we are going to paint a bottle. Yes, a mandala art bottle. Today's painting is going to be an Independence Day special tri-color mandala art. Let's begin it. If you like the video, do hit the like button and help YouTube recommend my video to more and more people. And you can share it with your friends too. And I would love to see you as my subscribers. Hey friends, we are starting with the painting. And as you can see, I have taken a plastic bottle. Earlier I started painting on a glass bottle, but accidentally it broke. So having no other option, I started painting on a plastic bottle. I am dabbing white acrylic paint using a sponge and will cover the whole bottle. I have applied 2 coats of white paint so that the design beneath the coat is not visible. No issues if you are not having any mandala art tool. We will be using a pencil with eraser on the other end, a brush, cotton swabs and toothpick to make the dots. Since it's Independence Day tomorrow, we'll be using our tri-color for the dots. It's a tribute to our tri-color national flag. Starting with the green paint at the bottom. For the bigger dots, I am using the pencil. For little smaller dots, I am using the other end of the paintbrush and then the toothpick for the smaller dots. Next, I am using light blue paint for the design in the middle. The third color of our national flag is saffron, and I am using deep orange for the same. The designs made by the dot can be anything of your choice. There are innumerable designs that can be made. This is a simple and easy dot mandala which I am painting now. Lastly, a touch of golden will enhance the whole painting, randomly making dots of various sizes. Finally, I am dabbing golden paint at the top of the bottle, and we are done with our dot mandala art. How did you like the painting? Do mention your opinion in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you like the painting and help YouTube recommend my videos to more and more people. I would also request you to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Also click on the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. And yes, happy Independence Day to all of you.